if the symbol delta represents either addition or multiplication, which of those does it represent? So I think I saw this problem once before, and I'm pretty sure I spent about 30 minutes working on it before I realized that this said multiplication and not subtraction. So first rule of the Gmat is to always read the question properly. Anyway, statement 1 says A delta B is equal to B delta A for all numbers A and B. So let's see if we can do this without testing numbers or anything. So that would mean if delta means addition, this would be A plus B is equal to B plus A. And if delta was multiplication, this would mean A times B is equal to B times A. And so I can see here, just by looking at this and without having to test numbers or anything, this will be insufficient because both of these things will always be true. And if that's the case, that means delta can be either addition or multiplication, and we need it to just be 1. So that doesn't work. Statement 2 says A delta B minus C is equal to A delta B minus A delta C for all numbers A, B, and C. Okay, so this looks like the more complicated statement. A delta B minus C is equal to A delta B minus A delta C. So let's see if we can do the same thing and do this without having to plug in numbers. So if delta means addition, this would be A plus the quantity B minus C is equal to A plus B minus the quantity A plus C. And then if a delta is multiplication, let me give myself some more room here. Our equation would be A times the quantity B minus C is equal to A times B minus A times C. So let's go back and let's simplify this guy. So our left side here is just going to be A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B. And then this here will be minus A minus C because we got to distribute this negative. So minus A minus C. And then what happens here? So it looks like our A's on our right side cancel out. Our B's on either side cancel each other out. And then we're just left with A is equal to 0. So what does that mean? So this is not going to be helpful. So this is telling us that this statement here, so when delta represents addition, this guy is true, but only when A is equal to 0. And that's not what we need. We need it to be true for all cases. So, what happens in all the cases where A is not equal to 0? Not to mention different values for B and C. So we don't need it to be true only for one specific case. So addition doesn't work here. So I am hoping that means multiplication will. And this one looks easier because, so if I just multiply out this left side, I get AB minus AC is equal to AB minus AC. That is definitely true all the time. So statement 2 is sufficient to say that delta is multiplication. And B is our answer. And I did it in under 20 minutes that time.